I am trying something a little bit different here. Not ever done a voiceover, so work with me here. This is basically how I do rocks. You can either do this with grays, or you can do this with like what I did, browns and blacks. I was trying to match my background that I was had planned on doing my photos with. So you can see here I'm just mingling it together, just basically slopping it, and browns, some gray, like mustard color, black, and getting into all the cracks and crevices. That's one of the hardest things that you have to pay attention, that you don't want to brush here. You just want to basically do a dabbing motion, and more stippling, and then what brings it all together is, I'll bring it out here in just a second. It's a sea sponge. It's very, very porous, so wide cells, and that just really just blends it basically perfectly. Let's see here in a second. Probably overdid it a little bit. But yeah, there's the sponge. And you just work it until you have a good blend on everything. You don't want to see like specific colors. And here it is dry, so now I'm going to paint the vines. This is a dark green brown acrylic. I did not want these to like stand out, and the look I was going for here was like a very subtle, everything kind of mingled together, earth tone type thing, because she is really the focus. And right here, just this is a little black wash in the runes. I really wanted those to stand out because, you know, this is her seated rock. Her, I don't know what you call it, like her perch.
problem.